Hi everybody, my name is Dave Marsh. I'd like to welcome you to this OneHome tutorial. And today we're going to take a look at the utility menu and how to manage your user preferences in OneHome. Now before I begin, I'd first like to mention that because each MLS may have slightly different requirements, the OneHome portal that we'll be using during this tutorial may differ slightly from the one that you're currently working with. Nevertheless, the functionality is the same, and for the most part, whatever you see during this tutorial, you'll easily recognize in your own portal. All right, so for this example, we're going to assume that my client Jim has already activated his OneHome account. Now to manage this account, I'll first need to sign in so that we have access to the account settings found under the utility menu. And from here, in addition to viewing your current agent's name, we're also able to see exactly which group members have access to your OneHome account. Now, group members are essentially friends or family members who have CC'd on the same property notifications that you're being emailed. So in addition to just viewing those properties, group members are also able to activate their own OneHome account. And again, because they're part of your group, this is so they can sign in and using their password protected features, help manage the properties in your account. To do this, simply reach out to your real estate agent and then share with them the new group member's email address. And just like others appearing in your group, you yourself can also be added to appear in another person's group to help them manage their account as well. All right, so below your name at the top is a link to manage your OneHome account settings. And from here, in addition to viewing and editing your personal information, users are also able to manage their PropertyFit preferences. And this is a tool that allows you to first identify your favorite features in a property, and then displays a property fit score along with each of the listings that you view in OneHome, essentially showing you and your agent how much or how little the property aligns with the features you selected. Now, in addition to hiding the property fit score from appearing, users are also able to update their property fit preferences, as well as the features and the order in which they were selected. All right, so for anyone who may have multiple real estate agents working on their behalf, OneHome allows you to receive content from each of them so that everything is saved and is available for you in one central location. For this example, we're going to assume that my client Jim currently has an agent looking for property for him in Seattle. At the same time, however, he also has another agent looking for a vacation home for him in California. And because OneHome uses Jim's email address to identify him, he's given both of his agents the exact same address to send properties. Now to switch views from his current default agent here in Seattle to his agent in California, I'll simply need to edit his agent preferences. And from here, we'll just need to select his new agent, then click Save. And again, because each of these agents are unique, you're only ever viewing just the properties that your selected agent sent. In addition to this, all of the actions and the settings that you've created under your current agent are completely independent of the others. All right, well, this concludes this OneHome tutorial. I'd like to thank you for watching and hope that you can join me for another session. Take care.